Don't put it over that.
Well, this is legit Chief here, and we're gonna put this iPod under the belly of this plane. So here we go. We're gonna strap this thing on. Wherever here.
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Better get that thing going around it. Crazy.
Oh.
Oh damn.
That'll be fine.
Okay.
Alright, we ready for this?
Okay.
Oh,
It's not. No, it's connected on that side. Should be fine.
okay.
Alright, let's do this.
The iPod doesn't blow up the smithereens.
Try not to get that thing over concrete, just in case that thing falls, because they'll have a better landing on grass. Okay, we had a bit of a collision. I think just the wing things came off, that's all.
I think today's too windy, Nick.
No, I didn't do it into the wind. Yeah. Alright, turn it around.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Oh shit.
Yeah, watch it.
That's not even that bad.
It's not that bad. Yeah.
You should have like 3 extra cowlings and 3 extra propellers and new.
Alright, we're good.
Are you sure?
That's fine. It's not gonna mess with anything.
How come those are connected?
Alright,
I think it should be good. Okay, this is test flight number 2. The wing is sort of busted up a little bit, but I think we're still gonna go with it.
Here, I'll keep following it just in case it like falls down.
Yeah.
I'll try to connect it.
I'm gonna take this bit off right here.
Alright, this is test flight number 2. Going in the wind.
Okay. Will, you don't have to help me stay underneath it. Stay up, okay, Nick. Piece of tape. Once you get all stuck on the bottom. Okay, here, Will.
Wait, you wanna make the wing? That was a good flight. Okay. Let's see.
Holy crap.
Has some slick and slime stuff on that. This is Legit Chief, and you were just in the air over my elementary school. Thanks for watching.